If you get this error in Destiny 2 which says your connection to Destiny 2 servers has been lost, please check your network configuration and try again. And they say for more information on resolving this issue, visit help.bungie.net and search for error code centipede. Now listen to this tutorial very carefully. In most cases, you'll get this issue when their servers are down. As you can see, Bungie Help Twitter page have provided an information regarding this issue. As you can see, we're investigating a rise in centipede error codes. For more information will be provided when available. And later they updated an issue and say, update, we have resolved this issue surrounding the rise in centipede error codes and apologize for the inconvenience. Players can safely log into Destiny 2 again. So in most cases, you'll get this issue when their servers are down. For more information, you can monitor their X or Twitter page, which is Bungie Help. Also, if maybe it's taking longer and you've waited for so long, they do provide this information on their help page, and the link will be available in the description so that you can follow along easily. As you can see here, error code centipede. Centipede is a general networking error code. This can be caused by a loss of connection to our servers. If you are using Wi-Fi, we recommend switching to a wired connection. If your NAT is strict or type 3, we recommend getting your NAT into an open or type 1 state. So you can try the following fixes in order to resolve this issue. Now, try changing your network or use mobile data or hotspot to see if in some way your ISP is blocking the game. So try changing your network or use mobile data or hotspot to see if some way your ISP is blocking the game. Also, don't just turn off your VPN. If you're using a VPN, you can try to turn it off to see if this issue can be resolved. Now, if you've followed all the instructions correctly, but you're still facing again the same problem, now I recommend to maybe wait for 3 to up to 24 hours to see if this issue can be resolved. Also, monitor their X or Twitter page for any information. If it's taking longer, then you can just open a support ticket to their help page, and they can also help you to resolve this issue. But in most cases, you'll get this problem when their servers are down. If they are not down, just try to follow the instructions that I've shown you, and you'll be able to resolve this problem.